Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Fedora Linux 43. First open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on this MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.8. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. So select the version. Then select the operating system. See here we have the Fedora. Select it. Then select the OS version. See here we have the 42 and 43. So select the, I'm on 43. So select Fedora 43. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 841 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this tar file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.8 RPM packages. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. Now we have the MySQL Server 8.4.8 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill enter tar file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. Okay, sudo rpm -ivh nodeps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. The user you logged in must be the sudo user or root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Control A, sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. See, we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started, and service status is enabled. Quit. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now check the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is active and running. We have started it 20 seconds ago. Quit, Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the any MySQL user account. We don't have any MySQL user account, but we can get MySQL root temporary password by going to sudo more/var log mysqld.log grep password. A temporary password is generated for root, and this is a temporary password. Copy it. Now we will set the permanent password. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Paste it. Hit enter. Now see here the existing password of the user account root has expired. Please set a new password. So set the password for this root account. Confirm the same. See, we have successfully set the password. Okay, change the password again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disable root login remotely. No. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileged tables now. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL user account root. Okay, now we will connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.8. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server 8.4.8 installation. Now create database. Verify the same. See, we have created the database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. show tables. See, you don't have any table, so create table. See, you have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, you have inserted these rows. Okay, now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Create user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u, new user name is David-p. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. So provide it. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Fedora Linux 43. Sudo systemctl stop mysql d. Now verify the status. This command you already know. See, MySQL service stopped or inactivated 5 seconds ago. You can also verify the same by running the command by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysql d. We have successfully started. Verify. See, MySQL service started. Okay, if you want to restart, just you need to give here sudo systemctl, just give restart and provide the name of the MySQL service. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 6 seconds ago. Qt Ctrl A ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL Server. I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql. Press the tab. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using the dpver or MySQL Workbench. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dpver on Fedora Linux operating systems. In this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Fedora Linux 43. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.